Hi, welcome to TJN YouTube channel. This is the latest AP from Ubiquiti, which you just got. Alright, so this is the U7 Pro Max, which is now currently available at your distributors or resellers. Check it out. Let's do the unboxing and see what's inside. As usual, the box is very well secured. Okay. It's a slightly bigger size AP as compared to the U7 Pro and definitely a lot heavier. Okay, you have your template. You have your metal mount. Okay. Your screws and your opening, unlocking, and your long screws, your metal brackets. Now let's take a look at the unit itself. In terms of shape-wise and size, okay, it's the same as the U7 Pro, but it's I would say slightly thicker. Okay, I'll have a video to compare all the various size from U6 Pro onwards to U7 Pro, and then this is the U7 Pro Max. Let's look at the bottom. In terms of the mounting plates, it's the same. All of them are using the same plates. Similarly to the U7 Pro, you have a 2.5G PoE in, and of course by now everybody knows that this line here, actually there's a fan that's working on the AP itself because it gets pretty warm. Okay, as usual, please do remember to use the metal rack. Okay, so this is the U7 Pro Max, the latest AP from Ubiquiti. Okay, if you have any questions on the unboxing, you want to know more about the AP, please write in the comment section. We will try our best to answer them. Don't forget to like and share the video. Thank you very much.